Okay, another quick video on removing a shift knob on a 2021 Jeep Cherokee. This one's pretty straightforward. I'll get you set up here so you can see what I got going on here. So all you do is you get up kind of under here with your trim tool or a screwdriver if you don't have one. Work it around, and if you can see, it pops down. Pull it down, and then there's it's like a T20 right there. You just unscrew that, and you're all set. It'll pop right up. Thanks. Like and subscribe if you like this video.